Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do weekly love reading for Libra air sign for the month of November, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your messages. Take what resonate and leave the rest. So Libra, lot of cards. Okay, your first card. Okay, see your card. This is your reading. Justice. Libra. Okay, the second card, 9 of Wands and 10 of Cups. Okay, so one person in this connection acting like guarded up, even though they have feelings for other person, but they acting like they don't want this connection, that type of energy, but they want, but acting like they don't want. But one person in this connection is very straightforwarded, definitely, and they're very honest. They are very, very honest. I think it could be you, Libra. 10 of Cups, definitely one person want this happiness with the other person. 10 of Cups. See, let's see some more messages, then we will get more clarity. Temperance, Chariot, 8 of Swords. Yeah, I think your person may be stuck. I think 9 of Wands with Ace of Swords, I think it's your person. But you are very, very balanced right now, Libra. Yes, you stand by your power. You are patiently waiting for your time. I'm getting one person. I think it could be you. Take what resonate. Energy could be vice versa. Okay, Chariot, and definitely definitely there is some moment in new way in your life, like finance and career. You are concentrating. For some you want to reconcile with your person if you are in separation. You want some moment. Okay, your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, but especially Cancer, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So definitely 8 of Swords, one person in this connection is stuck right now. They don't know what to do because they are stuck. Let's see some more. Yeah, for some there is separation. 5 of Pentacles. Wow, 5 of Cups. Yeah, separation. 7 of Wands. Yeah, I think one person is defensive in this connection. I think it's you, Libra. You are very defensive right now because the one person who put a lot of effort in this connection is you in past. Now you cut your person off. There is no connection between right now because there is separation. 5 of Pentacles with 5 of Cups. Definitely there is separation going between both of you. One person feeling very, very sad for the separation. I think it could be your person or could be you. Energy could be vice versa. I think it's your person. But you are very defensive. You stand by your power. You are patiently waiting for your time. Now you are balanced, very, very balanced. So your person stuck. They're feeling very sad for the separation, but they don't take anymore right now because they're stuck. I think the guarded up person, I think it's you. You still have feelings for your person, but you don't want to give another chance to your person because Libra means justice, means your person wanting second chance, but you are not because you are protecting your heart now. Let's see some more. Ace of Swords, 6 of Wands, 4 of Swords. Yeah, you are not talking. I think there is no contact or less contact between both of you for some. Yeah, but some communication will open up between both of you. You will get some message or some communication from your person. And Ace of Swords, 6 of Wands. Definitely they want success with you. They want a reconciliation with you, but you are not giving chance because you are patient. You are very balanced. You stand by your power. And 4 of Swords, one person thinking about the other person a lot but not talking because your person may be stuck. It could be you or your person. I think it's your person. They are stuck. They are unable to make any move, but in near future they will make. So for some there is separation. 5 of Pentacles with 5 of Cups. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. All energy, but a lot of air energy and fire energy is here. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what is going on your connection right now. So let's see your person current feelings first. Then we will see their actions. See, 10 of Pentacles. Wow. Devil. You or your person could be Capricorn also. King of Pentacles. I think your person may be good looking, handsome, or you could be. One person in this connection is very beautiful and good looking. Yeah. They're obsessed with you. Yeah, they're obsessively thinking about you. Libra. And they want to offer stability to this connection. King of Pentacles. Yeah, long-term commitment. Definitely they want to offer long-term commitment. They are thinking about the commitment after the separation between both of you. Yeah. So let's see their near future actions towards you. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Knight of Pentacles. Nine of Cups. Wow, Four of Wands. You both could be twin flames, 11 and 11. They want this celebration. They are wishing. Yes, they are wishing for this connection. Nine of Cups. Yeah, their wishes are going to be granted. For some, you are also giving second chance to this person after your person approaching you. Yeah, Knight of Pentacles. Your person want to come towards you, but it is very slow moving energy. Knight of Pentacles, but it is stable offer. They are coming back to you, but it is very slow moving energy. If you want your person back, please wait patiently, because Temperance is also there. Temperance means patience and balance. Yeah, your person will back to you, but it will take time. They want this celebration with you. They are wishing for this connection. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see where this connection is headed in near future from universe cards. Wow, see, Star. You or your person could be Aquarius also. Wow, reconciliation, Six of Cups. King of Wands. Nine of Swords. Yeah, your person feeling very, I think the one person in this connection after the separation feeling anxiety, depression, they're thinking about the other person a lot. I think it could be your person. And King of Wands. Definitely one person stand by their power. I think it could be you, Libra. Definitely there is a higher chances for reconciliation because the Star with Six of Cups. Definitely this, you both want to give a relationship a chance because the Star with Six of Cups. Yeah. Reconciliation. You both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. You both wishing for this connection. Definitely for some there will be reconciliation. Your person will approach you. You also give second chance to your person. So please give second chance if it is not there any third party. Okay. So yeah, you or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your overall energy for the week. Libra. Wow, Four of Wands, King of Swords, and Queen of Swords. See, your energy, I already told you, you cut your person off because there is no equal give and take. Because you deserve best. If they don't deserve what you get, definitely you will cut them off. Because you are very honest, you are the one person who put a lot of effort in the connection from the first. King of Swords, definitely you are very honest and straightforwarded, and definitely you want this connection. If your person offer what you want, what you deserve, then you will give another chance to your person. Yeah, you or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah, you are very straightforward and very honest, Libra. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. See, your person stuck literally. Already we got Eight of Swords in starting. Knight of Wands, Princess of Swords. Yeah, some communication. They may be spying on you on social media. Yeah. And Princess of Wands. There is a lot of passion. They are very passionate about you. Knight of Wands. Yeah. They are very passionate about you. They are very attracted to you, but they are stuck. Yeah, right now Four of Swords is also there. Definitely they are thinking about you day and night and all the time about you. They are undergoing some healing process. Yes. After the healing completed, definitely they will move. They will make move towards you. Some communication you will get from your person, and definitely your person also want reconciliation because Nine of Cups with Fear of Wands. Definitely they want you back. Yeah, they're coming back with solid offer and commitment. Because reconciliation is here, the Star with Six of Cups. Libra. So this is the reading for you, Libra. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Bye.